In this video, I'll show you how we turned this photo into its final version. But before we begin, I'd like to briefly explain how you should take your ring photo. In the first example, Denise is taking a photo of her hand with a phone, but angles like this aren't very suitable for turning it into a model image later, because from this angle, the AI can't place a model's face. Now, Denise is showing us how to take a photo from the correct angle using a phone. When you take a photo like this, it's easy to turn it into a model image. Your face doesn't have to be visible. Even if you take a very close-up photo, we can still add a model's face and body. When taking the photo, make sure your phone is focused on the rings so they appear sharp, not blurry. Because in the final image, the hand and the ring will stay exactly as they are. If you're ready, let me show you step by step how we transform Denise's photo. We start by uploading the photo. Then we select Magic Expand mode. Using the eraser tool, we remove any unnecessary areas, trimming especially from the top and bottom to narrow the frame. Since we'll be editing the photo, I also brush the face. Now we're on the Magic Expand screen, and we're scaling the image up as much as possible. The larger the face appears, the more clearly and accurately the AI will generate facial features. Let's move to the prompt section. Here, I write everything: the pose, appearance, eye color, skin tone, hair, and smile of the model. Click Generate Modify. Our first result is ready. We continue editing using the Keep Editing option. We're not brushing the entire photo at once. We're working step by step. To change the hair, I only brush over the hair area. So why do we work in parts? Because if we brush the face, hair, and background all at once, while keeping the hand untouched, the AI might generate a face that appears smaller and out of proportion. To avoid that, we work in sections. There's no need to write the prompt again. I just copy and paste it. It already contains all the key details. This time, I've also added clearly, to make sure the result appears sharp and clean. Click Apply. Now we see the updated hairstyle. This was the previous version, and here is the new one. It looks great. Let's continue. We tap Done and move on to changing the background. Our goal is to get a simple, clean background. So I choose a ready-made template and click Apply. Since the original background had a lot of green tones, the AI interpreted that and created a greenish background. But if that's not what we want, we can also change the background manually using the brush. I brush over the entire background without getting too close to the model's hand. Then I paste the same prompt again, because I want the hairstyle to remain the same, so I need to keep the original instructions that created it. Next, I add a background-specific prompt. I want a plain, single-color background that looks like a studio photo. I click Apply. And now we have a smooth, clean background. I download this version of the photo. You could use it as is, but I want more of the model's upper body to be visible. So I upload the downloaded photo again. Once again, I select Magic Expand and place the image onto the canvas. I don't recommend scaling it down too much. Here, I've left space where the body will be generated. In the prompt, I described both the pose and what the model should be wearing. I also pasted the same background prompt and clicked Generate. In the result, there might be a slight color difference between the expanded area and the original image. So I brush over those parts. In the prompt, I write Even Out Color Tone. We click Apply, and the color transitions blend smoothly, with the lines fading away. Now, let's say the original photo had a necklace that we no longer want. When brushing, I include not just the necklace, but also the surrounding skin. In the prompt, I write Remove, and also describe what should appear in its place. Here, we want the woman's skin to be visible, so I clearly mention that. The AI removes the necklace and replaces it accordingly. And that's it. Now we can download the final image.